VIP members, move your stop on the US Canadian to 136.53, 270 pips so far, heading for 134.19. Notice the break of structure, notice the continuation of the price action charts. There's a combination using the Advanced Pro charts. Congratulations so far. Euro Aussie. Congratulations, we had a breakdown last week. A new signal has arrived and I sent that to the VIP members who have upgraded, and the price is continuing and heading for 160.39. VIP members on the Aussie USD, you can now move your stop to 66.88 to lock it in. More profits along the way. 240 pips so far on the breaker structure, heading for 69.38 this week. Aussie New Zealand, continued breakdown and breaker structure, break of all the support lines, heading south to 108.03, stop 109.91. VIP members, Euro New Zealand, you should be short this, stop 181.65, heading for 176.18. Lots of fantastic setups this week. I hope you're going to enjoy the weekly Forex forecast. So, warm welcome to the weekly Forex forecast for the 26th of August. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. So let's start off with the DXY. We'll look at the futures contracts to see where the yen's going next. We'll look at the futures contracts to see where the Swiss franc is going, and it's all looking fantastic for next week. So get ready. You're going to make a lot of money this week. So as we can see from the DXY, once we have a breaker structure, a change of character, price action charts tells us when we get breaker structure and when we get change of character. It's highlighted in red for sell, green for buy, simple as that. And then we have the price action charts inside the change of character, the breaker structure. So we have the stepping stone effect to make it a lot simpler for everybody to read. And then this is for beginners, this is for advanced. Everybody can read it. Very, very simple. Once you get complete breakdown of the charts, there's no support left for the price in this instance, then of course you have a parabolic trend in action. Further downside momentum is highly likely into next week, and so the DXY is heading for at least 99.79. A fantastic chart on the yen futures. I've been waiting for this to happen for this week, pretty much whole of the week. Now this is in a wave 4 with the change of character back into the long-term trend. So we do expect the price to move up to 71.14 and then on to 73.55. What this means in terms of trading for next week, we are looking for the shorts on the yens. Shorts on the yens is on the cards, probably ready for Monday. They're not ready yet, so I won't be covering them today. I'll be covering them for VIP members on Monday. If you're not a VIP member, just click on the links below or not. On to the Swiss franc futures. This is highly indicative and pretty much the same as the yen futures. Into a wave 4 on the left here, heading for a wave 5, 1,202.21 and on to 123.60. So what we can expect from this is the Swiss franc pairs to start moving down in the next few days. The indices, by the way, are looking pretty mixed to me, so I'm not looking at those today. Silver is looking fantastic. Another wave 4, which is what we want to see. A wave 4 is the strongest trend combined with the parabolic trend and the price action charts. It's breaking out from this trend line, so if it does break out on Monday, then we can expect to go to 31.29. Oil is mixed. I've checked it out, so don't worry. Now gold. We made a lot of money on gold. Let me show you that. So this was Thursday and Friday. We had an outside bar, which is a part of the Get Funded program. And an outside bar is very interesting. So we're just looking for reversals into this. So we banked 100 212 pips, let's say, and then 211. So way over 300 pips on that move. Could have been a lot more, of course, as it went up to the demand supply area up there. So fantastic move last week, members. So in terms of the long term, we are looking at a big move in terms of gold heading for targets. Are you ready for this? 26.28. Targets 27.25. Target 28.82. Yes, this is going to be big. So we do expect this not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen straight away. It's not going to happen in a straight line, unfortunately. It is going to be to and fro. So I am expecting on Monday the price to come down to 2,500. 24.99 would be perfect on that trend line. And then I do expect it to head for 26, 27. Get your accounts ready. It's going to be a lot of fun. DXY is weak, and so therefore the euro dollar has continued up. Congratulations, members, if you're still in it. 275 pips so far. You can move your stop to 110.90 now. 275 pips so far. Pound USD, I did mention this on Monday. A nice 296 pips banked there. That's an old number. And so the best way to manage this is just spend 10 minutes a day. Can you spare 10 minutes a day? Most people can. Just move your stop, move your stop, move your stop. This is probably about 3 or 4 days work here. So just move your stop now to 130.66. We've got a target here, 132.84. Enjoy the ride, guys, because this is motoring. DXY lower, 240 pips so far on the Aussie USD. You can now move your stop to 66.83, heading for 69.38. The Kiwi, good old Kiwi, move your stop to 61.22, heading for 63.34. US Swiss is also parabolic, but if you're long the euro dollar, no point going short here. But if you're not long the euro dollar, then you can put a position on here quite easily. Trade at your own risk. Target 83.87. Stop 86.06. That's how easy it is. US Canadian, I mentioned this earlier. Nice 270 pips so far. Heading for 134.19. I do not have a target on this. My targets are open, but I do post the targets in the signal page. If you want to jump in there, totally up to you, or not. I don't care. I make my money in the markets. A breakdown on the US yen. This is what we want to see. There are some support lines, as you can see here. I prefer to see no support lines, but nonetheless heading for 137.56. Euro Aussie, are you keeping up? I hope you are. Breakdown of the trend line. This is what I mean about free fall. Free fall is when we see the price without any support lines at all, and it's broken the trend line, it's broken the support line, it's broken the 50 moving average, it's in a downward spiral. Your stop should be about 166.46. Your target is 160.39. That's a massive move coming. Euro Canadian to the upside, not moving yet, but probably will move up in the next few days. Pound Canadian, if you are in it and you got in on the break of structure, you are in 241 pips profit, heading for, wow, somewhere around there, 181.14. Aussie Canadian, lovely break. I'm going to wait for Monday for this one, let it settle down. It will probably bounce off this support line here and then do that. So we have an immediate target, you can probably see it already, of 92.52. New Zealand Canadian, congratulations. If you're in the signal page, we've got that. We're in profit. Thank you very much. Heading at 85.19. Your stop should be 83.11 now. Euro New Zealand, another fresh signal. Enjoy the ride. 181.65 is your stop. 176.18. I do not have a target because it's going down to 174.52 and beyond. Aussie New Zealand, another fresh trade. Congratulations, VIP members, heading for 108.00. However, there, as you can see, there is another support line here as well, which will it allow? Yes, it will. So 1075.52. What else? Canadian Swiss going against us. Oh no, we're in profit, just a small amount. But if you're not in these trades, just wait for the pullbacks. Just wait for a pullback and then sell or buy them. Now, in this instance, what I'm waiting for here is for the price to move down into this area. You can see the trend line automatically given to you on your chart. You've got to do no calculations whatsoever. Price action charts combined with parabolic trends are highly powerful and very easy to use once you've got the hang of it and you've had the coaching. So once you've got these charts, you can actually see what's going on immediately and make those decisions. So any kind of break on the Canadian Swiss is going to do this. And remember, the Swiss franc futures is looking strong, which will drive these lower. So my favorite trades: gold, go long; silver, go long; euro long; pound USD long; Aussie USD long. Just wait for pullbacks and then buy them. New Zealand USD long; US Swiss short; US Canadian short, up nearly 300 pips. US yen short; euro Aussie short; euro Canadian long; pound Canadian long; Aussie Canadian long; New Zealand Canadian long; euro New Zealand short. Actually, the pound New Zealand is actually going to go short in the next couple of days. So lots going on. Keep up with the charts and keep up with my full market analysis every day. Have a great weekend.